Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Cornelius Camp of corneliuscamp.com, school counselor by day, real estate agent by night. Um, Today, I wanted to kind of introduce to some of you all, especially the new agents. You guys are the one that might not be too familiar with this particular website, but also some of the veterans out there um, might not know of this website as well. And it's a website that's called Fiverr. It's the name of the website right up here. It's called Fiverr, and it is basically a website where you go and you can find or people who would do little jobs for you. So, and I'll explain more about that later on. But if you're ever in need of something like a logo, because that's what I used it for, you can find someone on here, graphic designer. So they're pretty good, um, and you can seek out their services and ask them to do it. It's listed as Fiverr because a lot of things cost about $5. I've done some SEO key word research for my blog and my website, and they've only charged me like $5. Um, so it's it, but also the logo can vary. That can go up to like I think I paid 55 or something like that. So it can vary depending on the job. But I'll let you guys or kind of walk you through it. So kind of give you a little bit of an idea of exactly what the website is for. So in order to kind of see everything, you definitely have to join. So you want to go ahead and join. And it's nothing personal. You're not going to get starting to get spam and stuff like that. It's just your email, and you create a password. So if you're someone, if you're a real estate agent and you're good with graphics and you know how to make logos, you can actually become a seller. Okay. But either way, you need to join the website. So you go and you sign in, and just like it says here, freelance services on demand. You type in what you look for, what you're looking for, logo, marketing plan. Maybe you can find someone on here that can write a article for your blog. Um, Someone on here might be able to do a little bit of video animation. I know my wife found a guy on here, and he created an entire verse of a rap song. He got a beat, and he gave her some samples. She picked the one that she liked. He told her what she did for a living, kind of look a little profile or whatnot, and he created a rap verse off of it. And it was fairly pretty cool to do it. But I think it was like $5 to $15 that he charged her. So, um, but just getting into the website, when you go to Fiverr.com again, make sure you join. If you want to become a seller, you click here. If you're just looking for someone to do your job, you can type in a search right here, or you can go and see exactly what they have to offer. Graphics design, as you can see, business cards, digital marketing, social media, SEO. That's what I was talking about earlier. That's kind of how I got into Fiverr. It was actually introduced to me through someone who does SEO, proofreading, resumes, WordPress. You might be struggling with the whole internet thing and trying to develop your blog. And if you're looking for a virtual assistant, I mean, it goes on and on and on. The businesses that are offered here and the services that are offered on this website. Um, Fiverr Pro, I've never done that. It's not something. I mean, I do Fiverr a lot because I have stuff that I need people to do, but I haven't, really joined Fiverr Pro, so I can't tell you much about it. But if you click there, you can say, I mean, you can see that it says you can learn more if you want. Um, right here is another place where you can kind of go and see exactly what it is that you're looking for. For me, logo, I will click on logo, and then people who do logos, graphic designs, their profile, their seller profile that has come up, and it will populate. I'll show that to you later once I get done with this particular page, just so you guys can get a glimpse. Um, Here are a few people reviews of what they have to say about Fiverr. can kind of see, people in their businesses, how it helps their businesses and so forth. And then if you're not familiar with it, you can actually go here and you can see guides on how to do certain things. I think that is extremely cool. Like right here, building a website. I had no idea. I still don't have an idea of how to do a website, but if someone were to talk to me, I can kind of understand them a little bit better because I understand the lingo. Okay, so that's the first page of Fiverr. You can kind of just go through it, browse through it, and everything. Even right up here, you can go and see exactly what it is that they have to offer. Okay, but just to kind of go into it a little bit more, let's say you want a logo. Click on it, and then it's pretty easy. They kind of give you the steps laid out. You kind of pick exactly what it is that you're looking for. Okay, I like a signature, so I just want to see that. And then right here it says how much you want to spend. So remember I was telling you that one job, the keyword search that I had, the guy charged me $5. Um, but then my logo that I paid, I think I paid like 45, so I was be in this range. As you can see, you can probably go up to a little bit more. So let's get real dicey with it. Let's go for the more than 100 one. Okay. And right here, you can continue to select when you need to buy. Some people can say, if you buy a logo from me, I'll have it to you in 3 days. Other people can say, I'll have it to you in 5 days, 7 days, whatever the case is. That's totally up to them. But once you go through all of that, you'll eventually come to pages like this. Okay, and you can start to see the user's profile. This person here is rated a top rated seller, so that means he gets lots of good reviews. You see here he's a 4.9 out of 658 reviews. Okay, he charges 120. Okay, this person here is a level 1 seller, a level 2 seller. Okay, this one here is a level 2 seller. This one here is charging 140. He's a level 1 seller. Okay, so you have an option of who to choose from. It's merely up to you and what you're looking for. But let's just click on one of them just to see where it takes us, so I can give you guys a better idea. Okay, it's just almost kind of like buying something off of Groupon. If you've ever been there, you can see this person here has over 1,000 reviews and looks like he has if not a 5-star, close to it. But you can see all the details of what exactly you're getting. Okay, if you don't want this one, you can get a standard version. It really depends on the seller, so I'm not quite sure exactly what he means by standard or basic. But again, the seller is something you can probably reach out to her through the contact me form right here, and then you can probably get a better understanding of exactly what she means. Right here, it looks like she offers a package of some sort. So that may be that is the standard. Okay, it says it right here. The standard for 65, the basic is 10. So those are packages that this particular seller offers. Okay. And then if you go down a little bit more, some people will have a description of the job, the description of what it is that they offer as far as different services. Right here, if you're looking for a business card design, they can do that. All types of things. And then you have your frequently asked questions, and then you come up on the reviews that she has received. Obviously, you don't have time to read through all 1,200 reviews that she got, but you can see that it's probably pretty legit. This person will be a good sell. So, but that's how it is when you go into an actual person's profile that you're interested in purchasing services for. And then you can see everything, and then you just purchase it from them, and then you take it from there. You and that person will be in contact, and they will give you the services that you are looking for. Okay, so this is Fiverr, Fiverr.com. One of my favorite websites. I just wanted to introduce this or kind of do a video to inform you guys about it. It's great for you new agents because you're going to be looking for someone to do a logo, someone to do your business cards. So it's great to go there. And again, I know if you're a new agent, you probably don't have the funds, and you're going to get a good product for or you can get a good product for a very cheap price, It's not going to cost you that much. Okay. So I just wanted to introduce that to you. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, like always, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments below. Make sure you like the video. And then if you want to get in touch with me, if you had any more questions about Fiverr or any other websites that you can use for digital marketing, I can help you out with those. Just leave me or actually get in touch with me through my social media contacts. They'll be in the description box below. Okay. Thanks so much for tuning in, guys. Thanks so much for listening. We will talk to you guys later. Take care and be safe.